I bought this new walking pad. I already had a stand-up desk. My first time working and walking at the same time. Okay, it runs on this remote. 3, 2, 1, countdown. 0.5, I'll push it up. I just want to get used to it. Yeah, that feels good to start. Okay, here I am walking and working. It's a little bit of an adjustment, but I'm walking really slow. It's not hard. I don't know if I could do a lot of writing, handwriting, but I can definitely type. There were 2 reasons I bought this. One, because I could roll it out of the way, use it or not use it. And the second reason is it came out of the box assembled. So all you have to do is put it down and plug it in. It's ready to go. Let me show you. Okay, so I got it in place. What I discovered was that even on the highest setting on my desk wasn't quite high enough for the ergonomics to work, so I just put these something by somethings under the desk legs, and we're good. Okay, so let's talk about, can you actually work and do this? Yes and no. Can I do a Zoom call? Absolutely. Can I read on my screen here? Absolutely. Can I type? Yes, but I definitely make more typos, so it's trickier. If I was doing something that was precise, like editing graphics or editing videos, I don't think it would be a great idea to do it while I was moving. But for the most part, it's a good way to get some extra steps in. I think I'm really gonna use it during the winter when I'm not walking every night.